VidViper creates amazing looking content videos for you that generate free traffic and rank instantly. We all know that content is king. You've probably heard this phrase a million times, but the truth is video content is king. No one really reads blog posts anymore. 90% of people prefer to watch a video versus read a blog post. Now this is where the power of VidViper comes into play, because it allows you to grab any URL of any blog post or any website and turn it into a traffic pulling video. It can be your website or it can be any website on the internet. Now, because you can turn any URL into a traffic pulling video, you don't have to do any research. It saves you hours of work. It's perfect for you if you are camera shy or if you are a beginner and if you don't really know how to create videos. And another big upside for content videos is that they rank quick in a matter of minutes, and we include an amazing ranking formula that will allow you to go straight to the first page of Google in a matter of minutes. So obviously we'll find a number of different video creation software out there, but VidViper is one of the only ones that creates content videos, and Google and YouTube love content videos because this is what people are looking for online, and this is what is amazing for generating free traffic. So right now let me create a video for you live so you can see how easy this is. Okay, so we are here on the dashboard. As you can see, we have total created videos, total pending videos, YouTube uploads, because VidViper actually uploads videos for you to YouTube so that you don't even have to log into YouTube. Obviously you're gonna get all the stats, all the dates and everything else, but right now let me just click on side video and let me click on video creator to show you how easy it is to create a video with VidViper. So as you can see, all we have to do is just grab any URL and paste it right here into the video creator. Okay, so I'm just going to my blog. I'm going to grab the URL of a review post that I made for our last product, and all we have to do is just paste it in right here and click on submit. And as you can see, from this point on, all we have to do is go through these 4 steps. So first of all, we're gonna do the screenshot configuration. We will add our title right here. So let me add the title. And then as you can see, VidViper took a screenshot of the whole blog post. So this is exactly what will be added to the video. We can do a Pixabay search if we want to add additional videos. Okay, so we would just enter a keyword and we can use any of these images free, because these are royalty free images, free to use in our videos. Okay, so I'm going to skip this step. Let me just click on next. And as you can see, what VidViper did is it grabbed all of the images from our blog post. So now we can choose which ones we want to add and which ones we don't want. So let me just click on these 3 images because I want them in my video. And as you can see, we also have screenshots of the actual blog post. So here we can choose which ones we want, which ones we don't want. So let's see, I don't want these last 2, and we can also rearrange them if we want to. Okay, so we can use it as is, we can rearrange it, and right here is where the magic happens. So we have all the text right here that VidViper grabbed from the blog post, and we can pick what we want to transform into audio. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick some of the text, because I don't want all of it, but some of it right here. Let me just copy it and paste it right here where it says text for audio, and we can actually pick from a number of different voices. So we have female, we have male, and a number of different actresses and a number of different accents. So we can actually pick English, or we can pick a number of different languages like Chinese, like Dutch, like Danish, like Arabic. So VidViper is amazing for videos not in English as well. Okay, so let me just pick this actress Sally, female, English, British, and let me click on next. And by the way, you can also record your own voiceover if you want to, so this is just an option that we have for you as well. Let me click on next. And another amazing thing is that we can add a video intro or an intro image, and this can be any image, and we can even do a Pixabay image search for free images. Again, we can add the voiceover right here for the intros and for the outros as well. And outro video, as you can see, this can be any outro video or any outro image as well. So let me just skip all of this and click on next. And as you can see in the last step, we can actually add a watermark image, a lower third image, and also we can add some text for the lower third image. So we just have tons of different options to make sure that your video is branded the right way. Even if you're using someone else's website, you can brand it as your own. So again, these are the options that you have right here, but let me just click on submit and let's skip all of these options. Okay, so let me click on submit. As you can see, the data is submitted successfully for our video to be generated shortly. All we have to do is just click on OK, and the video is now pending. So it will take a few minutes for the video to get ready, and let me show you a video that is already generated. So this is this video that I generated from the same exact URL. So as you can see, this is how the video looks like. So we have the voiceover, we have all of the screenshots, we have the screenshots that we added right here in the end. So again, we could add a bunch of different things like a custom voiceover, like a lower third image, like a watermark. But as you can see, this video was created for us in a matter of minutes, and we can upload it to YouTube and get free traffic from both YouTube and Google instantly. And again, we actually include a formula for ranking any video in YouTube and getting free traffic instantly. So guys, that's the power of VidViper. I hope you see how powerful this is. And again, content videos is what is powerful in the eyes of Google and YouTube, because Google loves content, and especially content videos. That's how we're gonna get all the traffic and commissions in. And now let me show you one more super powerful feature of VidViper. You remember I told you that you can actually upload videos from within the software without logging into YouTube. So let me just click right here on YouTube and single upload. This will allow you to upload the video to YouTube directly from within the software, add your affiliate link, add all the tags and everything else. As you can see, this is a 3-step process. So we have all the video data, then schedule settings, because we can schedule the video, and then video and social network configuration. Now, what is super powerful and what is not possible to do manually is multiple uploads. So you can actually create one video and then upload it multiple times to YouTube, each one with a different title and with a different keyword. This is super powerful. YouTube wouldn't allow you to upload the same video multiple times, but because VidViper will actually spin it, you can edit a bunch of different times to a bunch of different channels or to the same channel, and use the same exact video for a bunch of different keywords you want to rank for. So this is a super powerful feature, and again, you wouldn't be able to do this manually. Again, I know that you see how powerful VidViper is, and I will hopefully see you inside the members area.